I went to a lot of different centres in this area, and Paisley Park was the only one that I thought was something that would suit our lifestyle. I loved it when I walked in. I loved the textures and the look and feel. Everyone's always been really lovely when I've come in, so it just made it really easy to choose Paisley Park.
Our approach to early learning is that it's child-centred, so we look at all children as unique, individual, capable learners, and we extend on their interests and development in a way that promotes learning.
My favourite thing about the centre would be definitely the educators, and also the rooms. Everything's really bright and light. I feel very comfortable living in here. I know he's in good hand, I know he's going to have fun, way more fun than if he was at home with me.
So we like to offer a lot of sustainability and environmental areas, respect for diversity and ensuring that all children have a sense of belonging and are comforted and supported while here in the centre.
So Paisley Park's food philosophy is vibrant, fresh, good quality food. We like to shop local and support local businesses. We know where the food comes from and we know what the quality is.
The School Readiness program is aimed at creating confident and capable learners that are able to transition into school really smoothly.
Quite often we have family and friends asking about where Isla attends childcare. I would have no hesitation of recommending Paisley Park. There's so many great things about the centre when it comes to Isla's development. We find that so many more milestones have been reached, and the just overall excitement at drop-off and collection just makes it so easy to recommend.
Best part of my day is being able to walk into the rooms and be able to see all of the smiling, happy faces of the children. Really makes it all worthwhile.